Hello everyone, this is also another short video. I'm going to introduce an interesting process in HTZ communications. The idea is how to combine high resolution like 10 meter or 5 meter or even 2 meter, 1 meter map or terrain with a backdrop 20 meter resolution greater area. So you've got two areas of interest, something like this. You've got a massive area, and that massive area is say 20 meter resolution, and you've got a small area here. Maybe you might have one area or more, it doesn't matter. But that small area here is actually in maybe it could be 5 or 10 meter resolution. Okay, so this is the area of interest you're working with, and this is the greater area of interest. And the reason you want to combine these two layers sometimes because you want to do maybe you have a microwave link crossing over their area or something like this. Okay, so there are many reasons why you want to combine maps, or maybe you've got two mining areas and then you want to be able to analyze these two areas concurrently in one project, and you want to check the mutual impact between these two mining sites. Okay, so that's the idea. So so this is the 20 meter data, this is the 10 meter data. Eventually what we want to do, you want to produce here a harmonized resolution. So this is 10 meter. I want to get this big area, the backdrop. I want to convert it from 20 meter to 10 meter, and I want to keep this one in 10 meter. And I want to keep and I want to create these two layers in the same coordinate system as the 10 meter. So say the 10 meter data is GDA 94, for example, and this one, the greater area is OzAlb. Okay, originally OzAlb. This is based on our multi-maps. So I want to convert also from OzAlb into GDA. Okay, so you want to create GDA 94 big area of interest, and also to insert the smaller one into the bigger one. Okay, this is in high level what I'm going to achieve in this video. So let me show you the inputs we have. So we have two projects or two data set. One is high resolution. It's just I call it here smaller area, GDA 94 10 meter. It's in geo format. Okay, it could be geo format or RGE format, it doesn't matter. It should be okay for the software. Even if it is IC2 format, it's also okay. So this is the high res smaller area, and then we've got here the medium res, the bigger area. In fact, it's so big, it's entire Queensland, 20 meter resolution. So I'm going to show you how you can start with a Queensland map and then cut the area of interest and then combine the maps. So let's get started. Step number one is you need to download the map if you don't have it already. Run HTZ. Let's go and download the map from our map download manager. So run HTZ communication from scratch. Okay, HTZ should be now up and running. Not yet. Here you go. Okay, HTZ is ready now. So this is the map for the entire planet, of course. Now I know the project that I have is in Queensland, somewhere in Queensland. So what I'll do, I'll just make a small rectangle over Queensland or part of Queensland, doesn't matter. And then go to map download manager. And that should pop up the interface, which allow us to download straight from our online repository. So here you go, Queensland 20 meter. So all you have to do is to click that button here, download, and then it will go to the download tab here. Okay, once it's finished, the download is available here. So if I open this one here, here you go. If I go to this one, you see there's a Queensland.zip. So decompress that file, and then you will find these folders. Okay. Originally it wouldn't come with a BIM key here, so add your own BIM key. Every customer usually has a BIM key, so please add your BIM key here. I'll show you how you can utilize it. So that's pretty much the download process for the 20 meter data. Now let's keep going. So I'm going to open the project, the multi-map 20 meter project. Go to project manager first, and then go to the three dots here, and then navigate to your 20 meter map. And this is your PRO project. And you will see, okay. Some of them are not okay. Now vector, I don't care about the vector really. PRM, I don't care. I just want to make a cut. So the terrain is there, and I would like to have an image. Image is very important, so you'll see where you are. So save a project and then open the project. You see that right away the software is resampling the map to factor 6. 6 means 6 times 20. So this is right now 120 meter resolution. It's not a big deal. Don't be scared. So when we slice it, it's going to be 20 meter resolution at the end of the day. So let's give it a few seconds. Okay, here we are. This is the map. Now, I don't know where exactly is the area of interest. If you have a KML, it's going to be handy. You can drop it to the map, or you can do what I like to do. So what I usually do, I'll just, this is my high-res area, okay? The smaller area. So this is a smaller area. This is much bigger area. So what we're going to do, we're going to just go like this, drag and drop here. Okay, so here you go. We know where the area of interest is. You can escape to stop the process, and I can zoom in a little bit here now. All right, awesome. One more time, drag, drop, and here we go. I know exactly where the area of interest is now. So this is the area of interest is here. Now say the bigger area of interest is this. Okay, say this is the bigger area of interest, or something like this. Okay, so this is your area of interest, the bigger area of interest. So we click, and then we go to a create blank matrix. So you can go and create blank matrix, or you can just go change area resolution first. That would be a better idea. So go change area resolution, sampling factor 1. So always you try to get sampling factor 1. So from here, you notice now you've got the background DEM, and that DEM is obviously in a medium resolution. You can see it doesn't have so much details, but it's good enough. And I want to combine the data set I have. Now I could just combine the data set by drag and drop, but it's going to give you 20 meter grid, not 10 meter grid. So if you want to maintain the quality of 10 meter, then you need to convert this 20 meter data into a 10 meter grid. And to do this, one idea is to create a blank matrix. So you go to the polygon here, or go to the rectangle, and then go to select all, or you can just say, yeah, select all. That's the entire area. And then go to create matrix, and then create matrix from selection. So this matrix is going to be 10, because I want it to be 10, as same as the smaller area of interest, and it's going to be GDI 94, just like the smaller area of interest again, and 16 bits. 16 bits is the format we use for terrain. Hit OK, continue, yes please, and I'm going to save it here. I'm going to create here a new folder, call it combined. So combined one. So let me save it here. So this is the greater area, and it is GDI 94, and it is 10 meter resolution. And for now, it's really blank. Okay, it's not a big deal. We'll fix it later on. So let me have a look. I saved it here, blank one. So I think it's finished. Seems it's finished now. So now the next step is after creating this blank one, I want to save this area, the medium resolution here. I'm gonna save it here. So go file, save. You can save the terrain directly. That's my interest really, is the terrain. Sometimes it's disabled, so you might need to save the entire project. Let me see if I save the whole thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna save it here. So this is really my medium resolution. Okay, this is my medium resolution still. No, I don't want to save in MG format. So let's go save project as. And then we choose, yeah, you could choose RGE, keep it to RGE. So here it's gonna be under my medium resolution still. So we're gonna call this greater area. And I'm gonna save it here, call it greater area. Here we go, saving all the layers. And no need to open the project, just save it. So now saving individual layers, and you should see now here we've got greater area. So this is still in 20 meter resolution, and it is still OSL. Okay, but I saved this layer in a medium res. So now we are ready to fix the problem now. So I'm gonna make a new project, and I'm going to open this time the the combined, which is empty, blank. And I'm gonna use image as well. It would be nice to have an image. Now the image, you can find it in the medium res. Here, I can copy this. You can copy it. You can copy it and put it in the combined here. So it makes it easier for you. Here we go. So I've got terrain, I've got image. And that's pretty much good enough. I'm gonna call this the combined. Open. So you will notice it's going to be empty. So if you go on switch to dem view, yeah, it's empty pretty much. So, but now we are ready to insert. So we're going to insert the medium resolution first, and then we're going to insert the high resolution. So to do it, there's a nice function here, file, import. Let's go to map, rest operations, and geocoding DTM. First, you select the medium resolution, the one that we've made, greater area. Okay. You could also use the multi-map tiles if you know which tile exactly, but it's harder. That's it pretty much here. You just need to uncheck that box later on, but it's fine for now. Hit OK. And now you should see this is the medium, that's a medium resolution coming in. So it's a medium resolution, but sitting in a 10 meter grid. Okay, so the original file is 20. But now sitting in the blank matrix, which is no more blank, and it is now resampled to 10. So now let's put the high resolution now. Okay, we need to put the high resolution in. So repeat the same process, space, geocoding, repeat the same process, and this time navigate to the high res, okay, and hit OK. Just be careful, sometimes you've got 0 as a void in your map. So if it is 0 as a void, you need to put 0 here. So in my case, I think it's -99. So let's give it a go. If it doesn't work, we have to repeat. Okay, here we go. I think it's finished. You see here? So this area is coming from 10 meter higher quality. This area is coming from 20 meter lower quality. So now we managed to combine the two into one map. And after this, you can save the project entirely. You can save the geo file or save project as to make a new file. Okay, so or you can just Control S. Control S should update for you the combined map. So if you go here to the combined map, you see the software detected change. So here you go. So this is no more blank. This is now combined map. And if you want to confirm, you can run ICS map server. Okay, ignore and then go to open 16-bit file, navigate to this combined area blank, and then open it. You'll see. Okay, this is the higher quality. So it's no more empty. That's it pretty much. If you have any clarifications on the process, feel free to drop an email, and then someone will help you. Thank you.